Okay.
Okay, let's see what else do I have that's interesting. Here's another picture of me and Rocco. Look how skinny I look.
You got chicken
I'm
legs.
like anorexic. Like
Chicken legs.
I know it wasn't in Ethiopia. There's me and my birthday again.
Chicken legs.
Red was the theme there. This is Rocco. Just kind of, you know, nothing too exciting. Okay, people pictures. Hang on. Where are my pictures? It's hard to do. Or should I wait till I get home to show my pictures? Whoops.
You could wait.
What was that? Well, let me just show a couple important ones. Get some important ones. Here's me posing.
Wait.
Here's me at a museum in Belgium.
Alright, that one's good.
This is a fake person. I went behind the scenes. Illegal. Here's one of me and Tony.
You can really see
in
it.
Bruges.
No, can't. Okay,
Belgium?
go on. That one ain't coming up.
It's not. Why not?
Too small.
What else? Here's the subway in Barcelona. Underground subway. Paintings.
We need more light here.
Well, let's go over here then, or something. How do we get light? There's me riding a bike in Amsterdam.
Here, put it down so there's more light.
Let's not dwell on one picture too long now. There's me waiting for the bus. European style, I guess, as Dave says, whatever. European style. There's in Bruges. Again, where I was with Tony. Bruges. Let me find a better picture of me and Tony. Hang on. There's one of me and Tony.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's not show all of these.
Alright, here's
Okay, family, and Diane and Julie. Hi, Diane and Julie. I don't have my makeup on yet, Diane. I'm sure you're noticing. No lipstick. New style here in Europe, I guess. What do I want to say to you guys? I don't know. Let's say what's important. Today is March 5th or 6th? 6th, 1994. This is my room. I'm like on break right now from work. And here's my room so you can see what my life is like here. I don't know how close, I feel like it's zoom lens here. But, okay, this is my bed. This is my bed.
Whose stuff is on it?
This is like Dave's stuff because he's leaving tomorrow for